Namaskar. Welcome to the online learning platform developed by NIPVD and SSA Assam. It's a very special learning platform, specially meant for regular classroom teachers who are working within the infrastructure of SSA Assam, and we are much hopeful that you all will enjoy the learning with this platform. I want to just brief certain features of this platform. By using this platform, you will be able to get the individualized or personalized login, and I want to just brief certain features about this learning platform. When you will register yourself in this platform, you will be able to get a very personalized login system, and you will be able to get your individualized dashboard where you can get the video tutorials. You can move ahead for assessment based on that video tutorials, and the complete course will be also provided or supported by discussions with resource persons. And at the end, you will also able to get your certificate from this online platform only. So I am much hopeful that you all will enjoy learning with this online platform, where you can learn with your own pace, and all the learning material will be provided on that learning platform. So I just want to brief you how to just enroll yourself in this program. You have to just click the registration or sign up option from this platform, and you will redirect it to a page where you will be asked to just fill certain information. When you will fill details in that registration page, you will get a email where you can see the user ID and password, which is meant for this application only. Just keep record of that user ID and password. You can write it somewhere in your notebook and diary, and now you can able to log in to this program or platform. You just log in with your user ID and password. Now you are able to see the video tutorials, and when you will proceed with video tutorials, you will face certain assessment. These assessments are to just promote the learning, so take it as an assessment for learning, so that we want to make a comprehension of the concept, how inclusive education is important and how important you are for the implementation of the inclusive education. So you have to just flow with this learning module or this platform, and at the end, if you successfully complete it, you will get certificate after getting information verified from the SSA Assam. So I think these information are enough. However, if you feel any more information about this program, telephone numbers and emails of so many officials has been supplied in this platform. You feel free to contact any of us and just enjoy the learning and be part of inclusive education initiative, because importance of inclusive education can be realized by seeing various policies and legislation of our country. And I'm much hopeful, as a part of good teacher or good citizen of India, you will actively participate in this online learning platform. And I'm much hopeful, as a good teacher, you will actively participate in this program and encourage all other teachers to do participate in this program. And thank you. Jai Hind.